A strong legal framework underpins the operation of LVTS. Let's take a look at the key components: the LVTS bylaw, LVTS rules, and the Payments Clearing and Settlement Act. The LVTS bylaw defines and enables the operation of LVTS by the CPA. The bylaw also lays out the responsibilities of the participants with regard to the irrevocability of payments, the finality of payment to the recipient, and the timing for making funds available to the recipient. This bylaw is approved by the federal government. The LVTS rules describe the practices associated with the day-to-day operation and administration of LVTS, such as technical requirements and allowable message formats to ensure consistency of processing. Unlike the bylaw, which remains relatively unchanged once enacted, the LVTS rules evolve as the payments landscape changes. The LVTS rules can be amended by agreement of the CPA Board of Directors and are reviewed by the Bank of Canada under a Memorandum of Understanding in place between the Bank of Canada and the CPA. The Payment Clearing and Settlement Act gives the Bank of Canada responsibility for oversight of designated systems, those which are considered systemically important to Canada. LVTS clearly falls into this oversight designation. Since the Bank of Canada has designated LVTS as a systemically important system under the Payment Clearing and Settlement Act, the CPA is required to conduct an annual review of control procedures in place for LVTS operations. The CPA contracts a third party to perform this audit and communicates the results to the Bank of Canada. The Bank of Canada can request changes in LVTS rules, procedures, or even in the system itself if it feels that such changes will reduce systemic risk. The LVTS bylaw and rules are available on the CPA website, www.cdnpay.ca. We hope you've enjoyed this module and that you've learned a few things you didn't know about our large value transfer system. If you'd like to learn more about LVTS, please visit the CPA website Act and Rules section, where you can find more information on the LVTS bylaw and operating rules. The answers to many frequently asked questions are also available in the FAQ section of the CPA website. If you have a question we haven't addressed, please feel free to contact us, and we'll be happy to provide you with the information you need. You can reach us by email at info@cdnpay.ca. or by phone at 613-238-4173.